We're trying out our first print now. Once we've set up our printer, you can see the light running across it. We've got our tray out, waiting for the delivery of something or another. It's making a lot of wonderful noises. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. There we go. It's doing something. It's doing something. Here comes our first bit of paper. Is it? Or isn't it? No, still doing whatever it's doing. Jeez. Yeah, it's now doing something.
It's coming.
You can hear it? Alright, this is just an alignment print. Oh, pulls it back. Don't like us then, I guess. So there you go. You know when it prints the first time, do not drag it out, it pulls it back. And it's doing it again. I bet you this is going to be a different color. It's probably going to be a color alignment. How much money you got? How much money you got?
£5.
£5, okay.
It is a colour alignment.
Oh. Why would you say £5 if you know what it is? You just lost your £5.
No. I said it was a colour alignment from before.
No, I said it before you. Anyway, see, dragged it back in again. I said it.
Okay. You can.
Oh, no, okay. Where's my money? Where's my money?
No, look at the replay first. Look at the replay.
And whoever says it first gets the money.
No. I had already agreed on it, so you don't get any money.
I must get the money if you agreed on
I had
it.
agreed on it from before you and you made the bet.
See, that's even worse. You agreed on it.
Yeah,
He
before
definitely
you
gonna
made
give it
the
away.
bet. So
you agreed on it before I made the bet, which means
yes,
when I made the bet.
So replay it, because I didn't understand the question. So when
So
you
how
see
can
the
you,
replay,
how can
when
you
watch
agree
the-
to something you don't understand?
When you watch the replay, when you watch the replay, then yeah, you'll see.
Okay. Anyway, that was our little debate. Voila. Will it take it back again?
Yes, it will. £5.
No, I think that's it. £5.
No. I didn't agree on that properly. Look at the replays again.
Okay. Do you think he's going to take it more than once?
Yes.
£5?
Yes.
£5 it won't. Right, that's us quits.
No. Give me £5. No, give me £5.
Double or quits now. Is it going to take it once you put it out again?
No.
I said it is. Double or quits. That means you owe me £20.
What?
And if it doesn't, I owe you 10.
Cool.
Do you understand what you just bet?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
You better understand if Chef was going to take your piggy bank.
No, it's gonna take it back again.
No. Okay, you said it's going to take it back
Yeah.
again. I said it's not.
It's a smooth printer though.
Money.
I was talking about this one.
No.
I was.
No.
Why you done that?
Money. You owe me £10. £10.
See, it didn't print again.
No. Exactly. That's why I said he's gonna take it back again.
It's easy to play with him because you don't even understand.
Give me my £10.
What is it meant to be a tenner?
Okay.
Yes, it was because he said,
quit.
yeah. So he said, if I win, I get £20. If you win, you get £10.
Okay.
Exactly, Mum.
But you still would have agreed for Him to get 20 and you to get 10.
Okay, last time.
Yeah, but I don't care.
Is it gonna
I
print
still want
another
my
sheet
money.
or isn't it gonna print another sheet? Double or quits, 40 quid.
I'm not gonna agree to
I think
nothing.
it's going to print another print.
I still want my £10, so I'm not even gonna agree to nothing again because I'm not trying to lose them.
Okay, then 40 quid is printed. Look, it
40
says
quid
it
is
says
printed. Why do you
printed.
think
It
I
says
said yes?
printed.
I looked at that and said yes.
Okay,
Because I read it.
okay,
It's
no,
too late.
Mum.
It's too late. You
Too
can't
late.
bet
That
that.
means
read
my
it.
mum. That means my
Okay,
mum.
then
Yeah.
40 quid, double or quits. Yeah? See, shake my hand. It ain't print.
I didn't say it was gonna print
You
them.
shake my
That's why
hand
you
though.
shake
You
my
No,
shake-
you said double quiz, and then I went like this, and then you
Yeah,
grabbed my
and
hand.
then
No.
you shake. Well, you didn't pull it back.
I said to you,
You shouldn't
I
have
am
done
not.
that.
No, I said.
This is how you get one over on your
Shish,
kids.
man. No.
Okay,
No.
people, that's it. We're all set. Good to go. See you later.
I like you very much.